Hey guys, it's Dr. Leah from Body and Balance, and today I really wanted to talk about how the medical community often basically educates patients about what to do about diabetes and how we differ from that, how we have a different approach. So many of my diabetic patients come in really saying that, hey, they've been told to use artificial sweeteners, stay away from all types of fruit, and really just not to eat sugar in general. But often my patients come to me and they're on a lot of different medications, they feel miserable, and they feel like they're not really making improvements. Well, one of the reasons that is that artificial sweeteners in replace of sugar, they actually cause an inflammatory response within the body. So they're actually damaging, artificial sweeteners actually damage the cell and decrease someone's level of health over time. That's a problem. Other things that happen with artificial sweeteners is that it can destroy the good bacteria within the gut by over 50%. So now digestive issues come into play. Our gut and our small intestine is how we absorb nutrients. So they've got all of these issues that are starting to brew, and they're very unhealthy when they come to us. One of the things I always advise our patients to start to do is become educated on the glycemic index. The glycemic index in terms of food really is what you want to think about in terms of how do I keep my blood sugar more stable. What that means is that when you eat something with a higher level of carbohydrates, it needs to have plenty of fiber in that food, or even some source of like protein with the meal or some fat with the meal to help stabilize blood sugar. So that way, I do have diabetic patients that over time can eat healthy forms of fruit like berries. They can have smaller amounts of sugar, but they're doing it in a healthful way instead of a way that would actually increase their inflammatory state and make them less healthy over time. But you have to become educated on that. So that's one of the first things that you can really do is look up the glycemic index. Start to really pay attention to the balance of your meals, as well as the balance of an individual food, an individual vegetable. What does that look like? What's the glycemic index? The lower, the better. So that's just one thing that you can really do to help heal diabetes or to really help change your overall situation in preventing blood sugar issues. So I hope that's helpful. Please like this page so you can get more information from us. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.